Are back. Now we are going to solve this problem. Find the inverse of f of x equals 4x over x plus 5. So the first we're going to do is we're gonna replace fx to y. So let y be the fx. So after we replace x to y, we are going to interchange x and y. So 4x will become 4y over y plus 5. Then we're gonna put the x in this side. So after we interchange, we're now gonna solve for y in terms of x. So it's going to be now we're going to multiply. So x times y plus 5 equals 4y. So x times y is xy plus x times 5 is 5x equals 4y. Now, after we multiply, we are going to factor out y. So first, we are going to transpose or put 4y into this side, so it will be lumped together with the x and y. So xy plus 4y equals 5x. So it will become negative because we transpose it coming from the right side. So this is negative 4y and this is positive 5x. Negative 5x. So after we do that, now we are going to factor out y. So this is how we are going to do. So xy divide y is x minus 4y divide into y, we are going to have 4 parenthesis equals 5x. Now after we have that, we have now we have divide both sides. We are going to put the final answer. So it will become because we transpose it into y, this is going to be 5 like positive 5x. So we have y equals 5x over x minus 4. So we are going to change y into inverse. So we have f inverse of x equals 5x over x minus 4. So we have the inverse. We now have the inverse of question number 1, which is f of x equals 4x over x plus 5. So we have the inverse of fx equals 4x over x plus 5 is the inverse of that is the 5x over x minus 4. So they now have the inverse. So now we are going to the second question, which is we are going to solve the second question, which is f in x equals x squared plus 6. So first, just what we have done in the first one, the add our first function, we are gonna let y be the fx. Then interchange the variable x and y. So it will become x equals y squared plus 6. Then we are gonna solve for y. And it will become like this. So we have negative y squared equals times negative x plus 6. So we could have the inverse. We are going to multiply both sides. So it will come like this. 4y negative y squared equals negative x plus 6. Both that. So we could have positive, so we could remove the negative sign. We are going to, so times negative y squared. Now we have positive y squared. Then our x will become, just because of the sign, our negative x will become positive x. So because the x is positive, it's going to be negative. So it become like this. So we have y squared equals x x minus 6. So now after that, we are gonna replace y by f inverse of x. So we have the f inverse of x equals x minus 6. So if you're wondering where is the y squared, this is what we have done. We put it like this. We put this into radical. Then what I have done is I canceled the 2 squared because we divide it. So we eliminate the squared. It will become y. So we have eliminated the y, it will become squared. Because we have eliminated 2, it will become like this. So now we have the inverse of f of x equals x squared plus 6. Thank you for listening. This is my presentation or my activity in Gen Math. Thank you.